Guys, what I do on the glove boxes after I've done the one step where I showed you how to use it, bend it. Having one of these tools is nice. They're only a few dollars at Harbor Freight Tools. Get the metal one if you're going to use it more than once, because the plastic ones, they don't last. But I use this thing a lot. I use it for when I'm assembling pop-out windows for buses too. So anyway, I have to let this set up for at least 4 hours, and then I'll trim it. See how this is off a little bit? That's okay. I'll just end up trimming that and trimming everything a little bit and putting it in place, and it'll fit, I'm sure. Anyway, I'll talk to you in the next portion of the video. What it looked like when I got done. So I siliconed the sides together, and it was black already. So I mean, originally they were like a gray color, and you can use paper pulp and make it, and that'll come out gray too. Let's take a look at what it looks like in the car. So let's take a look here. That's what it looks like in the car. Let's look at that further so you don't get too close. Looks like that. I should have cut it more of an angle. I did last time, and it dropped down more like the original. But it's alright. It holds your stuff. Let's take a look inside. So this stuff's a little bit angled this way. So if you cut your sides, you know, so that you got the proper angle here, it'll fit a little bit better. But you know, it doesn't matter. It's got a glove box liner, and it works. And if you wanted to put your radio in here, you could knock some holes in it, make another one, or whatever. It's easy. So what I do is I don't put radios in my car anymore. I put in a Bluetooth speaker, and I just take it with me, because I just don't like to drill holes. I don't want to drill into that. Instead of putting in the radio blank and all that other stuff, I just welded it up because it was all screwed up, and did it that way. So it's another option. So anyway, it's pretty cool. That's the glove box already finished and in the car. Talk to you in the next video.